In this video, we're going to take a look at a couple more of my favorite features with iOS 17. Specifically in the Notes app. We can now link our notes together. And then also, the Notes app has better PDF viewing. We can even use Quick Look when we're in the Notes app and it has a PDF. Let's take a look at my favorite new features with the Notes app on the iPhone and iOS 17. Let's go over to my iPhone. Let's first look at how we link our notes together and why we may want to do that. I'm going to open up my Notes app here. You're going to see that I have 3 notes here that are actually related together. I'm going on a trip, so I have a shopping list for that trip. I also have things to do for that trip, and then I have restaurants to eat at. So what I would like to do is create links within these notes, so then when I'm in my shopping list, I can easily go to things to do or restaurants to eat at. Or if I'm in my things to do, I can easily go to restaurants or my shopping list. This is why we may want to link our notes together. We can relate different links together. To do that, all we have to do is just open up the notes. So I'm going to go to my shopping list and we're going to link it to things to do. So I tap on shopping list here, and then I just place my cursor where I want the link to be, and I tap and hold. So I'm going to tap and hold here. We have a little pop-up menu, and now when I tap on the right caret here, we go until we find Add Link. When I tap on Add Link, I can add a link. Now this is nothing new. I've always been able to add a link. But what is new is we now are able to link to a note title. So I want to link to things to do. I just start typing the note title, and you're going to see it says things to do. So now all I need to do is just tap on this, and I'm going to use the note title as the name. I tap on done, and now we have my link here. So now I want to go to things to do. I tap on it, things to do. Let's go and add the shopping list in here. Tap and hold, long press. I go until I find add link. And now I type in shopping list. I'm going to use the note title as the name. I tap on done. And now when I tap on shopping list here, it takes me to the shopping list. I tap on things to do. It takes me to things to do. Now if you have text in your note already, you can also turn that into a link. So let's go and add some text in here. We're just going to go down here a little bit, and I'm going to type in restaurants. And what I would like to do is use this as my link title. So I double tap on it to highlight it. And now I tap on the caret here until I see add link. I tap on it, and then I type in my note title again. We're going to go restaurants to eat at. And this time what I do is I just leave this slider off because I am not going to be using the note title as the name. I have my own name in there. So now what it's going to do is turn that text that I highlighted into a link. So let's go ahead and tap on done. And now we can see that when I tap on restaurants here, it takes me to restaurants. So that's how we link our notes together, as well as why we may want to link them together. Basically, what we're able to do is link these different notes that are related to each other, and then we can easily navigate to each one of those notes. Now let's take a look at PDFs, how Apple changed how PDFs work within a note. So I'm going to go to a note that I have a PDF in. So we're going to swipe up here, and this membership economy is a multi-page PDF. So let's go ahead and tap on this, and we can see my PDF here. Now, right from the go, what I'm able to do is just swipe over here and view all the different pages. Pretty simple. I can also zoom in and zoom out. But when we go up to the caret here, you're going to see that we have more options. What I'm able to do is change the view. Maybe it's taken up too much space, so I'm going to change the view. I'm going to go with small here. And now we have a small PDF. So how do I view this when it is a small PDF? Well, all I have to do is just tap on it, and we can see we have all the different pages here. I can go and view all those different pages. This is Quick Look. If you're used to a Mac or you have a Mac, you may be familiar with Quick Look. Tap on the space bar while you have a document highlighted, such as a PDF. You're able to view that PDF. Well, same thing here. This is what Quick Look is. When I tap on this, it opens it up in Quick Look. And now I can just tap on any one of the pages here. I tap on the caret again, and I can change it to a medium view, so it's a little bit larger. And when it's in these larger views, you can also show the thumbnails. Tap on the little icon here to the right, and now you can see all the different icons. And if you want to view it in Quick Look again, you can tap on that and go to Quick Look here, and it opens up in Quick Look. So that's how we work with PDFs in the Notes app with iOS 17. We can change how much space it takes in our note. We can open it up in a Quick Look. And then when we're viewing it with thumbnails, we can tap on a thumbnail to view a specific page if it's a multi-page PDF. And then, of course, if you have related notes, as you saw, you can also link those different notes together by creating links between notes. So those are my two favorite features that Apple added to the Notes app with iOS 17 on the iPhone.